What's happening, YouTube? I am over in one of the pubs in Copenhagen that you're still allowed to smoke in. I'm enjoying a Boswell with some Sillems Black, and I am in the company of the one and only TheRolfiden.
Hello there, YouTubers.
What are you smoking today, Rolfiden?
I'm smoking this one, Morten on the Bayou.
And in what pipe are you smoking?
Oh, my good old Haggard. My initials on it.
Lovely pipe.
By the way, there's been some confusion with my YouTube name. I have two YouTube names now. I have the Rolfiden and Mr. Rolfiden. Just so you know.
So you can now catch him on two YouTube channels.
Yeah.
So this is a place that we have met a couple times before, and it's close to where my kids go to karate. So it's convenient for myself, and it's in the center of Copenhagen where Ralph and I can meet up and have a beer and a pipe. Let me show you a little bit around here. This is out the window. We're sitting in the pub. As you can see, it's an Irish pub called Kennedy's. We're drinking a small Guinness and a Leffe. Ralph has also brought along a little bit of his Balkan Supreme.
Peter Stockaby.
And Peter Stockaby's, yep, and I think this is the Sillems Black that I'm trying for the first time. It's that mix of aromatic and latakia, which is fantastic. And we have some Ehrenmoor mixture. These are all tobaccos that he picked up while he was on vacation in Berlin, Germany. So he was kind enough to bring some of his tobaccos for me to see. He also had a house mixture by the name of Tobacco and Pulver, which smells fantastic. Well, that's about it. We just wanted to say hi and hope everyone's enjoying their week. Take care. Catch you on the rebound from Pipe Scratch and
Mr. Rolfiden.
You got to give your famous. Take care.